All right, so here's just a quick update of the Jaymz AL Alexi guitar paint job. I'm pretty surprised and happy with how it came out. There's the headstock. So currently it's fully painted and clear coated and it's curing. I guess curing's not really the proper term, but once it's clear coated, it has to sit for at least 2 weeks before you can wet sand and polish it. So I'm gonna wait at least 2 weeks, probably more whenever I get around to it. It's pretty cool. The surface, it's definitely smooth, but you can feel and see like orange peel, and that gets wet sanded out and polished to hopefully like a semi-gloss shine. It's got a combination of gloss and satin. My tape job on the headstock came out pretty cool, and I tried to do like a fade. It's like goes black around the edges. It's like black here and fades into the midnight wine, and then I kind of faded black around the bottom and the edges. The bottom side is black, but I'm gonna be posting my full process on this as soon as I have time to edit it. But it's basically, this is all black, the neck is black. It already feels like super smooth, super cool. When that gets wet sanded and polished, pretty stoked. So again, here you can kind of see it. Excuse me. Kind of see it better. Kind of faded it in and out of the black. And then it's going to end up getting some chrome hardware, some black hardware. But this paint, the Oxford Supply nitrocellulose lacquer, is very easy to work with. Goes on super smooth. I had the right temperature, low humidity, right temperature for everything. Sorry, I'm choking on something here, but it's getting black tuners. Lighting's better on this side. So there it is in its current state. And hey, for my first time, I'm pretty happy with it. I guess I can't complain. I was very diligent with sanding and dust, and don't fear the black. I had no problems, really no problems. Actually, in better lighting, there are some blemishes in the wood and stuff, but it looks pretty good on my phone. So I'm pretty psyched. Will it play though? Will it play? I hope so, or this was a lot of time and money spent. So there it is. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna post a whole guide on my entire process, all the sanding, all the steps involved. But pretty psyched. All right, hey, thanks for watching. Woo, yeah.